I got it, mate. Hey, what's up everyone, I'm Wilson Gao and this is Mr. GWS Gadgets World Searching. And today I'm searching by this phone. It's called the Huawei Mate 20. I bought the Mate 20, not the Pro version, because I think mostly because the Pro version doesn't have a headphone jack. And that phone is a curved display, so I don't think a lot of people will like it. To me it's okay because I use the Note 9, but that one is just a slight curve, but the Mate 20 Pro is over curve. I don't know whatever it says. So just open up the box now. Okay. Thing and I peel off the box everything. And there you go, it is the Huawei Mate 20. Let's open up the box. Okay. Hard to open. There you go. Wow, does it look beautiful? It is really looking nice. There's a volume, power button, there's an NFC, and that's where's the SIM and the nano memory card. Yes, this nano memory card lies in. I think this is the screen protector, which is you can just directly peel in. Just ignore that. This is already here out of the box, and I think I also peel away that as well. Okay, so it's a really shining, very good looking phone. Let's see what they have as well before I showcase that smartphone. Let's see. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's here. There's a SIM tray 2 here, and there's a soft case together with the manual. Yep, manual is the soft case. Just put one side. Yep. And of course, this is the 22.5 watt power adapter. It's a Huawei Supercharge. Yes, it's a 22.5. Sure, yes, 5 volts, 4.5 amps. You also can charge 5 volts, 4.5 volts, 5 amps, and 5 volt 2 amps, which is a 10 watt. Instead of 40 watt power supercharge from Huawei. That one, the 40 watt is only available for the Pro version. This is the headphones with the headphone jack, obviously, and this is the USB-C cable, which I don't even bother to open anyway. Since I also quite a lot of USB-C cable. Okay, let's put everything out of the way. Way. And peel this thing as well. I don't even bother that. Okay, let's check out the phone. Yes, the front looks amazing. The rear also looks amazing. It is a really amazing phone, despite the camera is slightly downgrade compared to the Pro version. But other than that, I think the specs, everything is just about in par on the Mate 20 Pro. And of course, on top there's a headphone jack, microphone. This is the IR transmitter, another microphone. On the bottom, USB-C, another microphone, and the speaker. Of course, on the side there's a SIM tray 2. Let's open it up. Hey, when you open this thing, let me put one side a while. I think there's a SIM tray, and of course this you can put either the second nano SIM or the nano memory card, which I bought it. This is the 256 gig nano memory card. It looks really small. obviously. It's the same size as the nano SIM. Yep. Let's open up that one first. Okay. You see, opening up live version. Hey, move out a while. Let's open it up. Ooh. Hey. Hey, there is the nano memory card. It's a pretty tiny one. 66 gig. Let's put on the. You can put a second SIM. Second nano SIM is the main nano SIM card. The second nano SIM or the Huawei own nano memory card, up to 256 gigs. Now let's log in. Keep your phone to in. Okay. Hey, phone is in. Let's power up this phone. Of course, this phone has a screen protector, while the Pro version doesn't have, so the Pro version have to find a new one or somewhere, because I think the Pro version of the tablet glass, not many tablet glass can detect the fingerprint scanner. But thankfully, that's not the case on the non-Pro version, which has a dedicated rear-mounted fingerprint scanner. So I will be checked back for a while to set up my phone, and we'll see how it goes. And let's wait for a while. Yep, this is a really shining phone, by the way. And since I used their phones before, like the Ascend P7 and the Huawei Mate 8, I skipped the 9 and 10 mostly because it doesn't have an FM radio. But now the Mate 20, it has an FM radio, which is nice to have. So I guess I decided to buy it anyway. And I think their new K980 will be much better energy efficient than maybe say Exynos or Snapdragon. Yeah, it's kind of smudgy, man. Even though it applies with the screen protector. There is the EMUI. Yep, I will see you in a while. And there you go. Yep, I locked this phone. Yes. I'm glad that I wait for a while to get this phone. I think rather than on the launch day, I think back on the launch day, which is I think end of October if I'm not wrong, I think that there is a free gift of nano memory card, but it's 128 gigs, and I think some sort of accessories, maybe the speaker and of course the memory card reader, which to me I don't really use the card reader unless I switch to other phones. And when we see the files here, I have the 256 gig of the nano memory card installed. As you can see, 7.6 out of 247, and of course the main storage is 120 gigs. This phone has 6 gigs of RAM. Of course, when it launched in Singapore, rather than 4 gigs, and the grand total now 360.19 gig. Which is pretty massive to install. I think I just readjust for now. Let's see. I put as 5 minutes. And when I look at the camera, you can switch modes, GPS tag, everything, blah blah. And maybe I try a while. I would say it's pretty impressive, even though it doesn't blur the highlights. Actually, the wide angle is much more detailed than it should, mainly because the wide angle it uses autofocus rather than LG ones. Yeah, the LG ones, when switching to the wide angle, is a fixed focus. But this one, the wide angle is autofocus, which I more or less will do that when making a video. And when I switch back to the front camera, yep, you can see me in the front camera. You can mirror on, mirror off when you adjust the settings. Yep, which is really nice. Switch. And there's a FM radio for those who listen to those analog audio. And since it has a headphone jack, yeah, I put in a new cable because even though it's blue, even though it's a matte, slightly glass, less scratchy finish, but it at the same time is also very slippery. Yeah, because I think it's kind of narrow. Whatever. So that's my unboxing of my Huawei Mate 20. If you like the video so far, you know where to go. My Facebook, YouTube, and my IGTV GWS89. I know it's a pretty long video, but you get the idea. And I'll see you on the next video. This is Mr. GWS signing off.